What's going on, YouTube? It's been a while since we did a Sunday update video, but let's jump into the charts. Bitcoin's getting a pump. Can it go further? Looking at Bitcoin here, what can we see? Well, we're simply pumping, bouncing off that beautiful special pink box that we always look for in our community. We have a bunch of pumps going on. We have the Sui trade set up pumping right now. We have the hype set up pumping right now. We even have a fart coin trade pumping right now. Look at Bitcoin reaching all-time highs. Is that what's next? Let's jump into the charts. Let's do a top-down analysis for everybody. How's it going? Thank you for being here. Sunday update for the gang. Let's jump into it. So right now, Bitcoin is getting a little push up into the weekly candle close. Is something that we do like to see, especially because we did go red going into this weekly candle here. So let's take a look right now. And as we can see, it's very, very green now that we are pushing on this Sunday afternoon. And hopefully we can close into the Sunday evening for a continuation after this beautiful, and I mean beautiful, beautiful weekly candle close last week. So let's see what we get. We can go through Market Cipher and take a look here, but we are trying to confirm a green dot right now. So this is looking quite nice. We have VWAP coming up through the bottom here on Market Cipher, looking quite nice. We were watching the 3-day. The 3-day is still looking really strong, but the daily here is trying to push. Okay, we had their little retracement halfway down the candle and looking for that continuation up here. So hopefully we do see follow through on this position. We are long in the Discord on multiple things. If you aren't part of our Discord, I mean, come over. It's the best. It's the cheapest. It's the best community in all of crypto. So come over here and hang out. I mean, we had a plethora of setups and everybody is enjoying the gains. So come over and enjoy the gains with the gang. Multiple trade setups all the time. So come over here and hang out. We'd love to have you. But you can see that Bitcoin is pushing right now. Going into our 12-hour, what we can see is a nice VWAP crossover to the upside with green money flow. This is beautiful. Okay, nice ramping in here on our momentum wave as well, and the stochastics and the RSI together forever, showing strength in this move. So can we push into the weekly candle close? Will they get everybody while they're celebrating on July 4th? We'll have to see. Shout out to the American viewers out there. Happy July 4th weekend. Hopefully you're all staying safe and you aren't missing the gains. Okay, looking at this, we are pushing right now into some resistance right now. So we do have some key levels for you guys and some areas where we're interested in price potentially pulling back for an entry or potentially continuing from. So we'll jump into that as well. Going into the 4-hour, we have a nice trigger wave here pushing us onwards and upwards, and we'll see if we do come into that resistance aggressively and get rejected this afternoon or not. So we were looking for the special pink box here to push up. Now we are coming into an area of interest, which is a retracement level. Okay, so we have a liquidity and golden pocket area that we are looking at to get rejected from at 109. Okay, 109. It's crazy. It's hard to say 100,000 and 109,000. It's a mouthful now. Beautiful 6-digit numbers. Okay, we love it. We love it. So continuation here is what we're looking for. Pushing. We could get a little retracement back in here, but this does look strong right now. So be prepared for that. Going into the 3, the 2, and the 1, all looking strong right now with this beautiful push up. So how will we enter this, right? And we do teach this in our community, but whenever we're breaking out on something like this, and yes, we did snipe the bottom level here, but you would look for a breakout, retest, continuation trade, okay? We are holding this big bullish momentum line right now, and this has held ever since we had started to push up all the way back in late June. Okay, so look at this push. We are continuing to push up, ramping up, and it's eerily similar to what happened. Let's get rid of all of this in here, and let's get rid of all of this in here. This pattern is eerily similar to what happened down in here. Okay, and we can take this and just throw a fractal on here just for fun, right? For S and gigs. But if we take this and we throw this in here, whew, my lordy lord, does that not look the same? My lordy lord. Okay. Oh, man. Come on. Does that not look juicy? And look at this. That would bring us to up our targets at 120,000. So, will we get there? We'll have to wait and see. But we are looking for that push all the way up to about 119, 124. So we could get there possibly next week. We'll have to wait and find out. But it looks very similar. Can we continue to push, or is there going to be that one last shakeout before it goes? We'll have to wait and find out. But something interesting I saw the other day. So we'll see if we do want to continue out of this place right now. Now, we know the resistance is at 109 in a key area that we are looking to get rejected from. So can we push up into there? Will we be taking profits aggressively along the way? Absolutely. Right? Don't forget to pay yourselves. And this is never financial advice. We always just want to help you navigate. Now, there are bullish signs, right? So when we look throughout the market, we can see that the NASDAQ, all-time highs. Okay, we go to the weekly of the NASDAQ. Incredible. Okay, all-time highs on the NAS, all-time highs on the SPY. Looking great. Expansion. Looking for Russell to break out of this head and shoulders. I've been calling this head and shoulders all the way back in here. In May, we were looking at the head and shoulders on the Russell for expansion. Look at this baby. It is breaking out. Beautiful head and shoulders. Target for this is all-time highs, 2,600 for the Russell. Okay, looking good. The VIX, slow AF right now. So if the VIX can ramp up, we get some volatility in the markets, we could be looking for a surge. Total 3. Breaking out of this flag, looking strong as well. When we look at total 3, you can see simply here that we are trying to get out of this and out and onwards. We have a breakout, a retest of the highs, and a continuation here. Can we continue to push and mitigate 860 billion market cap? We'll have to wait and see, but this is looking juicy throughout. We had some pullback levels on Solana, some pullback level. Look at that trade setup. My God. SUI, Ethereum. Okay, all banging, all given in advance, all preparing with the gang here. Hype, Fartcoin. This was back in here. Virtual. Okay, we are ready. We are prepared. Hopefully you're a prepared trader and a profitable trader. We can help you get there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're enjoying this update video, I can't wait to see you guys in the Discord and on the live stream. We stream live 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. every morning. I will see you guys Monday. Take care. Much love. Trade safe. And have a wonderful Sunday eve.